Hi there, Dory Sukup here, founder of InSPAration Management. I want to share with you my latest success story. It's Lacy Hardy from a sunflower spa in Wisconsin. So we were at the Leap Ahead seminar a couple months ago, and we were talking about how a person can actually transform their business using the tools and all the information and strategies that we provide. And out of nowhere, Lacy decided to stand up and share her success story with everyone. You see, Lacy used to have the wild west. She had about 17 or 18 independent contractors that were basically running her business. She was overwhelmed. She didn't know what to do. I actually met her at a spa conference in Chicago. She came to a few of my lectures there, and then she decided to sign up for the Leap Ahead seminar. So she did. She came to the Leap Ahead, and she spent 3 days with us and learned a lot. But at the Leap Ahead, she decided to join the Coach Me Platinum membership program, our MasterMind meeting. So once she joined that, we started working closely together and started making changes to her business. So I actually changed her compensation model, transformed her team from independent contractors to actually employees. We launched a new compensation model, new position descriptions, new commitment agreement, went up to Wisconsin, and I spent a couple of days with her guest relations team as well as her team to train them and help them see what a true guest experience should be like and what they should really be doing as team members. After that, she actually came to the book writing seminar, and I helped her write her book so she can differentiate herself from the rest. So we've been working together now for over a year, and Lacy has totally transformed her business. She is happy now. She has more freedom. Her husband is happier with the relationship because she's not so stressed out anymore. So literally, she transformed her business. Her volume per guest, that's what we teach, volume per guest. Her volume per guest went up $25 per person. That's exponential growth, you guys. Imagine your volume per guest going up by that much. It's a wonderful thing to actually experience. So we went from the wild west to structure, to system, to culture, to goals, to measuring, to totally putting in a new business model. And we also do the marketing for Lacy. We're getting ready to launch her new website. We do her monthly newsletter. So we're continually working on the business together to reach the goals that she wants to reach. So I invite you to listen to what she had to say so you can hear it from her. So if you're wondering whether you should come to the Leap Ahead seminar, this should tell it all to you, or whether you're wondering to join Platinum or not. All the tools that we have are proven effective and are guaranteed. So go ahead and take a listen or watch what Lacy actually had to say about her whole experience with us. Until next time, stay inspired.
So I have been in business for 15 years, and I never worked with a coach that was specific to this industry, which made a huge difference. And I had 16 independent contractors, and I had, they were pretty much running my business. And so I knew I needed to make a change. And so I went to, it was in Chicago, that's where I met Dory, and went to one of her lectures. And then the biggest thing, the reason why I came to her was for the compensation program, because I researched different compensations, and there's a ton of them out there. And so through some research, I decided to show up at Leap Ahead, and then that's when I became a Platinum member, because it just made sense to me, because to me it's like outsourcing your marketing, all your tools, and really when I went try to go down my own road, it didn't work. Dory's just stay with the program. Dory's, all of her information, it just works. And so now we're using the spa management, like I just showed you, and we're having our whole team go through the modules, and the response from them is it's all verbiage. It's what she says totally makes sense. things like little things of how they struggled, like our front desk, I don't know, how to handle certain questions. So all that stuff, I'm now like starting to plug them into everything. And then just getting the team together, the board was big on like, you need to delegate, because I was wearing all the hats. And I was not happy, my husband was not happy with me either, because I bring it all home. And I just was like, why am I doing this? If, I'm like, you can't have somebody running a day spa when you're trying to project relaxation and health, and like, I wasn't personally there because I was so stressed out. So I hired Erica because I was like, you need a spa manager, and that was really hard for me because I want it done a certain way. And so I would rather do it my way instead of like taking the time to teach somebody. And then the last time that I was with Dory at the book writing, with the authority marketing, the platinum meeting was awesome because you are surrounded with like-minded people, and I've developed like connections with them where I still talk to people that I met at the platinum meeting the week ahead, which was a year ago, and so we just bounce ideas off of each other, and so that's invaluable too. But what I will say is there's not a lot of people out there like Dory who know the business like she does, because I'll talk to marketing people in my area and they just don't get our business, and it is just a different beast. And even working in the industry is totally different too, to train people. Like you can, somebody can work at a front desk at a different business, different industry, and then they come in this industry, and it's just the verbiage, it's just different. So I'm still working on everything, and I'll get there, but it's definitely a huge encouragement, and the calls really help. And she does get a lot done in half an hour. And she's there, her team is there as well. If you need somebody, like just a question, like, I don't know what to do with this. So those little things that we get stuck on, that seem like big steps, like they just get you out of that rut and really help you so you can move forward in your business. But it's really helped a lot. I mean, like our VPG, the compensation that was a big hurdle for me. That totally changed the whole team, and then having Erica come on board and like coaching the team to be principals is a huge deal too. That's why I brought Erica. So she can learn it like right from Dory, because she's like, oh, now this makes sense. Like she's like, while you're having a daily planning meeting, it makes sense, like the whole consultation, because we do the recipe cards, and so it's just tweaking all along the way. So anyway,
I am very proud of what you've been able to accomplish as well. You're a great student, so congratulations.